Congratulations on your new Trane XL850 or XL824 connected control. This video will guide you through the simple process of registering your new control with Nexia Home Intelligence. When connected to Nexia, you'll receive local weather reports and alerts right on your control. And Nexia enables you to remotely view and manage your control using almost any web browser or smartphone from anywhere in the world. Let's get started. Wireless network configuration. To remotely access your control using Nexia Home Intelligence, it must be connected to the Internet. To access the wireless network configuration, from the home screen, press Menu, Settings, Network, and connect to Wi-Fi network. Before continuing, be sure you know your home network's name and password. Unless your control is hardwired directly to an Ethernet hub, you will see the wireless network screen and all detected wireless networks. Select the network you want to use and press Next. Enter the network's password and press Connect. If your network is not password protected, simply press Connect. If your home network is not displayed, it may be hidden. In this case, press the Hidden Network button and press Next. Enter the network's name or SSID and password when prompted, and press Connect. After a few moments, you will see that your control is connected to your wireless home network. Now, if you're having trouble connecting to your home network, from a computer, go to www.mynexia.com and click on Help in the lower right-hand area of the screen. Select Troubleshooting and Climate Internet-Enabled Thermostats for assistance. Press Home to return to the home screen. Connect your home to Nexia. Now we'll enroll your control with Nexia Home Intelligence. Nexia enables you to remotely view and manage your control using almost any web browser or smartphone from anywhere in the world. In a moment, you'll need a personal computer with internet access to set up your Nexia account. From your control, press Menu and Nexia to get started. After reading the enrollment screen, press Next. You'll go to the Nexia website from your computer in a moment. Press Accept to accept the terms and conditions, and you will see the verification code screen. Now from your computer, log in to your Nexia account. Click on Climate and then Add Device. Or to create a new account, go to www.nexiahome.com/Trane, click on Sign Up, and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. When you reach the Choose Devices screen, click on Thermostats and select the Trane XL850 or XL824, depending on which control you are enrolling, and click Continue. Click Continue on the Enrollment Cart confirmation screen, and after reading the Getting Started screen, click Continue. When you reach the device enrollment screen, note the 5-digit verification code and click Start. Within 5 minutes, return to your control, enter the 5-digit code and press Next. After a few moments, your control will be connected to your Nexia Home Intelligence account. Press Done and press Home to return to the home screen. Setting weather options. Now you will enter your zip code into the control. From the home screen, press Menu, Weather, and Location. Using the keypad, erase the current zip code and enter your zip code. Press Apply and Home. And that's it. Your new Trane XL850 or XL824 control is configured and connected to Nexia Home Intelligence.